Cyberdata SIP-based combination RFID and Keypad secure access control endpoint enhances the functionality and security of your building access control strategy all over your existing voice-over IP network infrastructure. Companion products include the RFID-only or Keypad-only access points with the same robust specifications as the combination endpoint product. In a typical deployment, the Cyberdata RFID and Keypad secure access control endpoint is added to your Ethernet switch along with your IP phones, pagers, and other voice-over IP devices. Door strikes are activated through a built-in dry contact relay or when combined with the Cyberdata Intermediate Relay Module or the network dual door strike relay. These endpoints can securely lock and unlock any door and gate location that can be added to your existing voice-over IP network. The RFID products can read a wide range of cards and include 5 RFID cards in the package. In addition, all 3 products are SIP compliant, PoE 802.3AF enabled, and are IP65 outdoor rated. Optional weather shroud and flush mounting kits are also available. All 3 products offer dry contact relay support and interface with Cyberdata's network dual door strike relay and intermediate door strike relay as well. Additionally, all 3 products have an alert buzzer, adjustable keypad and call button brightness control, red and green lock status lights, a built-in time of access schedule, local and remote logging with timestamp, and NTP time support. All 3 products support 500 access codes with blacklisted code alert via dial-out and multicast stored messaging, network downloadable firmware, network web support, and security torque screws with a driver kit are included. You can upgrade the security and functionality of your facility's access control by adding Cyberdata's RFID and Keypad secure access control endpoint products to your existing voice-over IP network today.